Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw HSA money with Optum Bank while staying tax compliant. Complete guide step by step clearly. To withdraw HSA money with Optum Bank while staying tax compliant, begin by logging into your Navigate to the Accounts section on your dashboard. Select the Health Savings account from your list of accounts. Click on the Withdrawals option to begin the process. Review the available balance to ensure you have sufficient funds for your withdrawal. Choose the type of withdrawal you wish to make, such as a reimbursement or transfer to your bank account. If opting for reimbursement, gather the necessary documentation for eligible medical expenses. This documentation should include invoices, receipts, or any proof of payment for qualified healthcare services. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw in the designated field. Confirm that the amount does not exceed your account balance and complies with IRS regulations. Select whether you want the funds deposited directly into your bank account or if you prefer a check. If choosing direct deposit, input your bank account details accurately. Review all the information entered to ensure it is correct. Submit your withdrawal request once you have double-checked the details. Monitor your email or notifications for confirmation of your withdrawal request. Keep copies of all documentation related to your HSA withdrawal for tax record purposes. At the end of the tax year, report your HSA contributions and distributions on your tax return. Make sure to file IRS Form 8889, which tracks HSA contributions and withdrawals. By following these steps, you can effectively withdraw funds from your HSA while maintaining tax compliance. Stay informed about IRS regulations regarding eligible medical expenses to avoid any penalties. Using your HSA responsibly allows you to maximize your tax benefits and healthcare savings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.